Shri Gurubhyo Namaha students, welcome to online class. Today I am going to discuss exercise 4.4 question number 5. First we will see question number 5, right? What it is? Anyone you have to read? Yeah. You have to be attentive and listen the class children, right? Is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter 80 meter and area of 400 meter square? If so, find its length and breadth. Two things are there. You have to consider any one as a variable. It is a single equation, right? It is a single variable equation, right children? Now, solution. Let the breadth be like that you write, right? Let the breadth be x meter. If you want, you should take length. Nothing is wrong, right? That is your choice only. Perimeter of a rectangle. What is the formula? Yeah, anyone? Yeah, very good. Perimeter of a rectangle equal to 2 into L plus B units. See, what are the things we need that you have to write it first. After that only you should enter into the solution part, right? Now, perimeter of a rectangle equal to 2 into L plus B units. What it is given in your question? Given perimeter equal to what? 80 meter. Perimeter equal to 80 meter. The previous statement, what I wrote, you see, perimeter of a rectangle equal to 2 into L plus B. Here also perimeter of a rectangle equal to 80 meter. The left hand sides are equal. So automatically you have to equate the right side, right? Now 2 into L plus B equal to 80. See here, it is a multiple of 2. This is also a multiple of 2. In between equal. So you can cancel 2 ones are 240. Right? 240s are. Now which implies L plus B equal to 40. Now we know what is B because we assume B as X. So that I am going to substitute in the place of B as X equal to 40. Now what is your L? What is your L children? Yeah, shift X to the opposite side. When you arrive, what is L? What is your L? L equal to 40 minus X meter. Okay, you know L and you know B. Then one more word is given in your question. What it is? Area. What it is? Area. Area equal to 400 meter square. Using that, you are going to solve, right? What is the area of a rectangle formula? Anyone? Yeah, very good. You have to participate. Everyone should participate, right? L into B square unit. L into B square unit. You know what is L, right? What is your L? 40 minus X. What is your B? X, which is equal to 400, right? Now you have to use X and multiply, right? Now what can you get? You see 440x minus x square equal to 400. That I am going to modify in terms of quadratic equation, right? Which implies x square minus 40x plus 400 equal to 0. One thing you listen, when you see the statement, you think that it is so difficult. The same statement I converted in terms of quadratic, where it is x square minus 40x plus 400, right? Such a long statement you converted into the simplest format, right? Now, you have to, using the factorization method, you are going to find a solution. Sum equal to minus 40, that is product of, sorry, that is coefficient of x. Product equal to coefficient of x square into constant. That you keep it in your mind, children, right? 400. Okay. 400. What are the possibilities to get 400? That you have to write it in the right side. Right. Several times I insist that for your purpose only. 2. 200. 2. 100, you are applying the divisibility conditions, right? 2, 50, again 2, 25, the number ends with 5, so you apply 5, right? 400, what are the possibilities you have to gather? Which two number when you multiply you will get 400, that and all you have to write it here. 400, 2 into 200, 4 into 100, then 8 into 25. Next, many, how many things you can, you should write, right? Now, 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 twos are 16, sorry, 8 into 25, not 25, 8 into 50, right children? Here I will erase it. 8 into what? 8 into 50. Next, 16 into 25. 20 into 20. Right. Based on your sum only, you should select your possibilities I discussed. Right. Which is apt here. See, sum is negative, product positive. So both the numbers are negative. Both the numbers are negative. That you have to place it first. After that only you should select your possibility. Which is apt here, children? Yeah, very good. 2020 is the apt. Now you see x minus 20 into x minus 20 equal to 0. Now x is equal to 20, x is equal to 20, right? Quadratic, so you are getting two values. Breadth equal to, because you are assuming breadth as x, breadth equal to 20 meter. Breadth equal to what? 20 meter. Using breadth, we are going to find out what is length, right? Length equal to what? 40 minus x, which is equal to 40 minus 20 equal to 20 meter, right? What is your length now? Length equal to 20 meter. We found breadth and we found length. Still we didn't complete the question. What they are asking, is it possible to design? Yes, it is possible, right? How it is possible, you may raise a question, right? Square is a rectangle. Square is a rectangle. Will you agree or not, children? Square is a rectangle. Square means all the sides are equal. Rectangle means opposite sides are equal. See here, you are getting length is also 20, breadth is also 20. Now you see here also it is 20, here also 20. Opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. Therefore, the square it become a rectangle. So you have to conclude that yes, it is possible. It is possible to design a rectangular park. Right? You have to read the question, understand. When you end up the sum, whether will you complete all the things or not, you have to check, right, children? Yeah. Now, yes, it is possible to design a rectangular park. First question they are asking, is it possible? We said yes. Then they are asking what is breadth and length. That also we got it. Breadth equal to 20 meter and length equal to 20 meter. Now I am going to move to question number 5, right? Sorry, 4. Is the following situation possible? If so, determine their present age. The sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. 4 years ago, the product of their age in years was 40. Right here, sum of the age of two friends, right? And you should take two friends as A and B. Two friends as A and B. But we need only one variable, right? Solution. Let, if you want, you should take a name also, right? Let the two friends be X and Y. But I want the quadratic equation in a single variable. How I'm going to modify that you have to see. sum of the age. That means when you add these two ages, you will get it as 20, right? Let the friends be X and Y. Let the friends be or let the friends, sorry dear. Let the two friends be, like that you should take, nothing is wrong. Let the two friends be A and B, right? Now, and the age of A, B, any one alone you have to take it, right? Age B, X years. If we want, you should take B. Two friends. So I'm labeling A and B. In that one age B, X I consider. Using that, I can get what is the age of B. Right, children? Now I'm going to move to the next statement. Sum of the age of two friends, right? According to the question, according to the question, according to the question, what it is given to you, right? The sum of the ages of two friends. That means A plus B equal to 20. A plus B equal to 20. In that, what I consider as A, X, right? Now, which implies X plus B equal to 20. X plus B equal to 20. Now, what is the age of B? 20 minus X, right? The age of the age of B equal to 20 minus X years, right? The first statement will give you that age of ABX and age of BB 20 minus X. Now we'll pass on to the next. What it is? 4 years ago. That means before 4 years. That is the meaning, right? 4 years ago. Before 4 years. 4 years from now means what? After. The good. The meaning you should understand, right? If you understand the meaning, understand the question only, you can solve the problem easily, right? Now, before 4 years, what is the age of A? Anyone? See, for example, I will tell you. At present, your age is 12. Before 4 years, what is your age? When I ask, what you people will do? 12 minus 4, 8 you say. The same logic you can apply here also. Age of AB, what? Age of A you consider as X, present. Before, what it is? X minus 4 years, right? X minus 4 years. Age of B, what it is? 20 minus X minus 4 years. How I wrote that, you got it, children? 20 minus X is the age at present. Before 4 years means you want to subtract, right? Now, what it is given? Product, right? Product means what you want to do? You have to multiply the age of A and age of B. You want to multiply. That is the meaning, right? X minus 4 into 20 minus X minus 4 equal to what it is given? The product of age equal to what it is given? The product of age equal to 48. The product of age equal to 48. Now I am going to simplify, right? X minus 4 into 16, 20 minus 4, 20 minus 4, 16 minus x equal to 48. Now you see, I'm going to get a quadratic equation. Such a lengthy statement I converted into the quadratic format. Now you see, 16x minus x square minus 64 plus 4x equal to 48. Now you see, x square minus 20x plus 48 minus it will move to the opposite side. So it becomes plus 64 equal to 0, right? X square minus 20x plus 211 equal to 0, 112. Now we got a quadratic equation. Now you have to take 112 and simplify, right? So are you doing the prime factorization to find the possibilities? 2 5s are 6 are, then 228 again, 2 1 4 2 7. When you arrive the prime number, that's all, your division is over. Now 112, you are going to write the possibility, right? 2 56 4 what? 28 2 2s are 4 4 2s are 8 8 2s are 16 16 7, right? 16 7. Any other thing? If you know, you should tell me. I will write it here. That's all. 1 into 112. These are the possibilities, right, children? I hope you people understood, right? Now, we need sum is what? Sum equal to minus 20, product equal to 112, right? If you want, you can apply quadratic formula also. That also I will tell you at the next, right? Sum equal to minus 20, product equal to 112. Anything, if it match here, see, some negative, product positive. So both the possibilities are negative. Both the possibilities are negative. Here anything is apt? No. If you feel it is difficult, what you will do? No, you should move for the quadratic. Quadratic formula, what it is? Now, to use quadratic formula, if some product method, if it will not work out, you should move to quadratic formula, right? To use quadratic formula, right? Now, what is your A? A equal to 1. What is your B? Minus 20. What is your C? 112. What is your quadratic formula? That is discriminant. D is equal to B square minus 4AC. Now, which implies B is equal to minus 20 the whole square minus 4 into 1 into 112. If you feel some product is difficult, you should move to quadratic formula, right? If they didn't mention anything in the question which you feel comfortable, that you should adapt, right? So that only I did two things, right? Some product as well as quadratic. Now, D is equal to 400 minus 448, right? Which is equal to minus 48 less than 0. When you arrive less than 0, what is that? You cannot find the roots. The roots are imaginary. The roots are imaginary. Imaginary in the sense whether we can find the age of the friends? No, it is not possible. The roots are imaginary. The situation is not possible. The roots are imaginary means what is your conclusion at the end? The situation is not possible, right? Now you see, the situation is not possible. The situation is not possible. So, what? We can't find a, we can't find a solution. We can't find the age of two friends, right? Ages of two friends, right, children? I hope you people understood, right? Say yes or no. Now I'm going to explain again. See here carefully. See. Now, is it possible? Is this the situation is possible? If so, determine the percentage. Sum of the ages of two friends is 20 years. 4 years ago, the product of their age in years was 40. Right? Sorry, 48. No, I wrote it wrongly. 48. See, 48. Let the two friends be A and B. That our assumption only, right? The age of AB, the age of AB X years. According to the question, the age of sum of the ages of two friends is 20. So A plus B equal to 20. Then A can be replaced by X. So what is the age of B? 20 minus X. Two friends they discuss. So I consider A and B as a friend. Okay. One friend name is A, another friend name is B. The age of ABX and the age of BB 20 minus x, right? Now, before 4 years, that means you have to subtract 4 from the present. So, x minus 4, 20 minus x minus 4. Now, we arrived a quadratic equation as x square minus 20x plus 112. You can apply some product, but you can't find, right? So better you should adapt. So that only I did both the things to use quadratic formula. In that quadratic formula, we need what is A, what is B, and what is C. What is the general form of quadratic equation? I will write it here, children. You listen. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. You should relate the general format to the arrived equation, right? What is your A? 1. What is your B? Minus 20. What is your C? 112. Now we'll pass on to the discriminant. That is B is equal to B square minus 4AC. You arrived negative. Negative means the roots are imaginary. That means the situation is not possible. So we can't find the ages of two friends. Thank you, children. You have to go through. If you find any difficult, you should ask me tomorrow. I will explain again. Right? Thank you, children.